Okay, so intonation is important, and I get asked a lot to help people out with this. I would call intonation part of the vocal dynamics family, in there with prosody, volumetrics, and pitch altogether, pacing, altogether are part of the communications, spoken communications palette. Okay, great. So we've established that different language families have their own natural intonation patterns, including English. Including English. You see that? Including English. What I'm doing here is what I suggest people do to practice studying intonation for the English language. Basically, approach it as though you're listening to music. You're listening to music, you're an emerging musician, this is your instrument, and you put on a podcast, you put on Netflix, you put on the news, whatever you choose, and you listen to the native speakers. Try to choose people with that you could consider to be a model. Don't choose, at least this is my advice, people using a lot of muffled slang and poor grammar and whatnot. Podcasters tend to be good. Actors, maybe less so, TV actors and episodic actors, because they're using naturalism. And at first you don't want to aim for muddied, slurred natural speech. You should aim for clean, an ideal level first. Then you can bring it down later if you want to. So what you do is you find your podcast, your movie, your video, whatnot, play 5 or 10 seconds of it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Pause it, pause that video, and repeat or mirror, it's called mirroring, shadowing, repeat exactly what the speaker said in that video. And if it helps you, do your hand like this. So, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It will vary. Then play it, continue playing, play a bit more, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Today we're going to talk about intonation. Pause it. Today we're gonna talk about, stepping down, talk about intonation. Today we're gonna talk about intonation. Play it, continue. What you'll find, and by the way, you can go into YouTube and other playback settings and make it maybe 0.75 normal speed, 3/4 normal speed if you need to. But really, we do want to aim for a normal pace of speaking. What this will do is it will get your ear accustomed to intonation patterns. Now, there's a whole other subject I can and will talk about later related to word stress in English. Word stress is, you'll find it within the intonation pattern, but intonation is more like if we use the music example, it's the composition. And word stresses are generally adhering to common guides or rules in English, not always, which form a subset of the intonation and vocal dynamics world. So right now we're just looking at the big picture, which is if possible, go sentence by sentence. I'd like to introduce you to intonation. I'd like to introduce you to intonation. Do that with your hand. If you play some podcasters, some YouTubers, they'll have really high energy YouTube channels. You'll hear the intonation sometimes really almost goes off the charts. Hey guys! I think I burnt out my, hey guys! Maybe a little bit higher than most people would speak. But compare that to this, no intonation. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you like it. Welcome to my channel. Boring as hell. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Do that with your hand when you follow. Welcome. Ha 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 ha. Welcome to my channel. By the way, I just did this. You can do it too. You can substitute nonsense words and tones instead of actual words if you want to. Ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So that's my advice. That's a tip, a trick, a technique I often advise people to use. Sure, there are apps out there. I still think it's useful to see a coach at least once or twice a week. Native speaker like me, I can help you out. If you want to find me, you can go to linktree/business voice coach. And I'm also known as JR Public Speaking. So that's my little snippet today about intonation in the English language and other languages, and how important it is for communication. And also that intonation is part of the vocal dynamics world. The vocal dynamics world includes volume, loudness, pacing, intonation. Really, those are the three key areas of the vocal dynamics world. Okay, that's it. I'm JR Public Speaking. Find me at Business Voice Coach. All the best.